not sure I like this outfit. Something doesn't look quite right. It's the shoes. It's always the shoes.
Who are you?
It's me. Someone who's been in exactly the same shoes like you. And black shoes, that is. Everybody say black shoes is a classic. So I made them my go-to, especially black pumps. But then I noticed a lot of times they can actually ruin your outfit. The most common mistake? Occasional outfits with black pumps. I've made this myself. As soon as I put black pumps, something changed. The reason is because occasional outfits are supposed to be glamorous, so most likely you're wearing a statement piece. But once you put on black pumps, because they have that officey look, it's gonna take away that glamour. So for special occasion, anything that is metallic, whether it's gold or silver, or anything made of satin or have a lot of embellishments, those are always gonna go naturally with the special occasion outfits and make you look glamorous. Another thing, I could never make it work with black shoes, pastels. These are the colors that we like to wear in early spring or the summer. They're lightweight, whether it's blush pink or baby blue. Once I put on black shoes, they look harsh because of the sharp comparison. And besides, black can always make the entire outfit look bottom heavy. Pastels are generally pretty hard to style, so I found it easiest to find a similar shade of pastel shoes. Not only this is gonna make your entire outfit look more coordinated, but also this elongates your legs. It really matters if you're shorter like myself, and I'm 5'2". If you don't have similar shoes, you can always pair them with white shoes as well. This combination makes a pastel look soft and gentle and vivid. And these outfits are from my clothing line for women 5'4" and under. Links are down below. Make sure you check them out at petitedressing.com. The next thing, where black shoes are not the best option, Palazzo pants. These are the kind of pants you bring to your vacation or in the summertime. Because these are lightweight, they're flowy, and black shoes are heavy, so they don't really go with the vibe of the entire outfit. That's why whenever I put on black shoes with my Palazzo pants, something doesn't look quite right. Not only that, I also noticed any shoes that's covering your toes. For example, pumps or even mules. They're not the best option for Palazzo pants. Even though mules are supposed to be casual, but because they cover your toes, they still give you a heavier look. And that's exactly why they don't go the best with flowy pants. And that explains why whenever I switch to open-toe shoes, any kind of sandals, they always immediately look better with Palazzo pants. Here, I do want to mention Palazzo pants are not exactly the equal of Eyelet pants because Eyelet pants are pretty broad, so they can be made of any fabrics. If your Eyelet pants are actually made of heavier, structured fabrics, think about the kind of Eyelet pants that you can wear to an office. That's the kind of pants that actually can work with closed-toe pumps or even black shoes. Another thing, I used to do it all the time without realizing it was actually ruining my outfit. Light wash denim with black shoes. This is especially very obvious in the winter because we wear boots or booties. And whenever you wear lighter color jeans with really dark shoes like black booties, it's really gonna make you look bottom heavy. But not only that, if your legs are already shorter like myself, this is gonna form a very obvious line right on your legs or at your ankle, and that's when it's gonna make your legs look more cut off. And if you're wearing black booties, the higher the shaft, the more obvious they're gonna make your legs look cut off. So that is why the best way to wear light wash denim is to pair them with nude color boots or booties. Because whenever your boots or booties are similar color to your skin, it's gonna look not obvious, and that's why the eye is no longer gonna notice that cut off line, that horizontal line that's making your legs look shorter. And that's how you can always elongate your legs. The next is what we see very often, and myself used to do this all the time as well. White pants or white jeans with black shoes. So many people wear it this way, but they are really unflattering because white pants, whether it's white dress pants or white denim, they are lightweight. But whenever you pair them with black shoes, that's too much of a contrast. And that's what makes entire outfit look bottom heavy. Especially if you are petite like myself, you never want to look bottom heavy. So you always want to wear your white pants or white jeans with lighter color shoes. But everybody has black booties or black tall boots. I know I have a ton. The way to make them look flattering is to wear similar color pants or jeans. Once you match the pants and jeans color with the shoes you're wearing, that's gonna work magic. Immediately, the eye is gonna assume your shoes, your boots are part of your legs. That's gonna instantly make your legs look elongated. At this point, you might be thinking, well, Chi, there's so many scenarios where black shoes just won't do it. So what am I supposed to do? That's too complicated to remember all of those. So one thing, the most easy solution for you is to just get one pair of skin color shoes. Almost everything I have talked about today, you can immediately fix it with a pair of skin color shoes. In my closet, 99% of my outfits go with any kind of skin color shoes. One of the reasons I make them my go-to is also because I am petite, because I'm 5'2". It's really important to be selective about my shoes. On the other hand, not only your shoes, but also, well, just about anything you wear is super important if you are petite like myself, because you really gotta be selective about not only the fit, but also the style. If you are short, like myself. If you are petite, make sure you do check out my clothing line at petitedressing.com for women 5'4" and under.